Now, some of y'all may not know this, but I've got a side hobby, which is coin collecting. I'm always looking out for any coin errors, and if you've ever tried doing that with a loupe, you know the struggle. This here is the TOMLOV 4K Autofocus Microscope, and it's basically the "why didn't I buy this sooner" upgrade when it comes to inspecting coins. And most of the reviews that I found online for this are like 15 to 30 minutes long. We're not doing that. I'm giving you the fast, honest breakdown, image quality, autofocus, the lighting, if there's any negatives, and who should actually buy it. And yes, I've got an Amazon discount code that should work for this unit as well. So check the description and the pinned comment if you want to grab one. I'll also include a different alternative if you're looking for something a little more budget friendly. Give me 5 minutes and you'll know if this is worth it for coin errors or if you should just stick with a loupe. In case if you're new to the channel, my name's Dave. Thanks for checking out my review video today. This is the TM4K-AF Max version, which means you're getting a 10.1 inch IPS display, which is in 4K video. It's got high resolution photo capture and an autofocus system built into the camera head. Now at the time of this recording, the price can fluctuate a bit, but you can usually snag one for around $299 on Amazon. This is typically marketed towards electronics repair or watch work and lab use, but it translates really well to coin inspection, which is primarily what I use it for, and some up-close macro footage of my watches, which I review on my channel. The setup for this is really simple. There's a heavy base, an upright pillar, and then an adjustable arm. The screen camera and the assembly is connected to all of that. Once it's mounted and tightened down, it feels solid. There are no wobble issues on my unit, even when it's zoomed in, and that's really important because at high magnification, even small movements can get really exaggerated. Now this particular version fits my needs more so because the base is portable, so I can easily move it from one location to another. If you're looking for more of a desktop workstation setup, you would want to go with the Flex Arm version, which can be fixed to your desk or workstation surface. And I also love that there's a remote control for quick and easy access without needing to go through the menu. Now when it comes to image quality, this is where this particular unit is worth the price and really shines. For coins, you're looking at surface texture, mint marks, any doubling, dye chips, hairline scuffs and scratches, and the clarity here makes that stuff really obvious instead of guesswork with a loupe. The screen is large enough that you're not squinting or putting strain on your neck and back with constantly leaning over, and the resolution is more than enough for documenting details or saving photos for later comparison. 52 megapixel images are great for really getting up close for those fine details. You can also digitally zoom. Because of that 4K image quality, it's not going to turn into mush or get super distorted, which again helps if you want to isolate a small area. Now, speaking of that autofocus, this unit does have an autofocus feature and it works really well. But here's the trick, because I noticed some feedback or some issues in other people's videos. The best setup is to leave the camera in manual focus mode inside of the menu. Then you want to use the physical autofocus button on the device when you actually want it to refocus. That way you avoid constant refocusing every time you move a coin slightly, but you get a fast autofocus on demand. The other cool thing is that you can assign two various focal points, so if you know that you will always have an object at the same distance from the lens, you can easily lock in that focal point at the press of a button. For coin inspection, that's the sweet spot. It's controlled, it's predictable, it's not annoying. And one more quick tip that makes a big difference is to set the camera to the manual white balance mode, then calibrate it using a white balance card in the lighting environment you're actually working in. Do that once and your color accuracy improves noticeably. This is especially useful if you're looking at toning, surface color, or taking photos that you want to keep. Now the built-in ring light does a great job for most coin work. The brightness is adjustable. I haven't had any personal issues with glare on my setup. Coins are reflective by nature, so any angle and brightness do still matter, but overall lighting here has been solid and consistent. I will say the light ring is maybe not the best when it comes to using on highly reflective items like watches, so for that I recommend sticking with external lighting. You can capture photo and video directly to a micro SD card, which is included in your unit, and that makes documenting finds easy. It also supports external displays if you want to run this on a bigger screen using the micro HDMI output, but honestly the built-in display has been more than enough for me. So what issues have I come across with this? Honestly, none that I can really say. Maybe the menu system would be one because it has a lot of options. It's honestly not that bad once you have it all set up, but it can feel like overkill if you just want a plug and play kind of system. But once you dial in the focus behavior and the white balance, it becomes a very smooth experience. My personal advice is to just spend some time with the unit, read through the instruction manual, which is actually really easy to understand, and you'll be able to set this up in a way that works best for you. If you're actively inspecting coins or hunting for errors or documenting condition, this makes the process really quick, easy, and way more consistent than with a loupe. If you only check a coin once in a while, this might be overkill. But if you're doing this regularly, it's definitely a legitimate upgrade. Again, for around $299, this does feel like a proper tool and is worth that investment. It's been reliable for me, super clear, easy to work with. For coin inspection, it's one of these purchases where you will immediately see the benefit. If you're looking for something that's a little more budget friendly, I do know that this brand has another option, which I'll include in the description, but I personally haven't used it. I just know it's something to consider if you're looking for something that's a little bit cheaper. So just a heads up, this is not a promoted video, but I do get a commission for my Amazon links. So I will put that in the comments as well as a discount code that you can use with your Amazon purchase in the pinned comment and description. So if you've got any questions or if you want me to test something specific, drop it in the comments and I will see you all at the next one. As always, take care.